Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make Lubia Polo. It's a Persian dish which my mom makes it best. For ingredients, as you can see in the picture, it's 3 mugs of rice, 100 grams of roasted green beans, 2 full spoons of tomato paste or tomato sauce, 1 large chopped onion, and 100 grams minced meat. Step 1 is to fry the onions. Add some oil to the pot and add the onions and wait for it to be fried. Step 2, after the onions are almost done, add the meat and stir it quickly. If you do not, they would turn to big balls and they wouldn't be cooked. After 2 or 3 minutes, it's time to add the spices. The spices were salt, black pepper, turmeric, and now it's cinnamon and some flour. And I forgot, it's saffron extract too. After the meat doesn't smell raw, it's time to add tomato paste and again stir it quickly. When everything is smelling cooked, it's time to add the green beans. And now it's time to let it cook itself, the stew. I add 2 little bowls of water and put the lid back on. And remember to low the heat and let it cook itself for about an hour. Now it's time to cook the rice. We should boil water in a large pot. And after the water is boiling, we should add pre-soaked rice into the boiling water. After 2 minutes of boiling, my mom adds 1 glass of cold water to shock the rice. When the rice is half cooked, after 10 minutes, it's time to put the rice into a colander. And now we come to the best part, Tadig. Add some oil, about 3 spoons, to your pot. And for a better look, add some sesame seeds if you enjoy the taste too. And it's time to add 1 layer of bread. For the best look, remember to cover all the pot with your bread. Now for the last part, it's time to mix the rice and the stew. So basically it's just you put 1 layer of rice and 1 layer of stew, and then you do it all in reverse. This part is very important, to make holes in the rice so it will cook better and all the parts of your rice gets cooked. In the end, you can add some more oil if you enjoy and put the lid on and wait for about half an hour for it to cook. And this is how it looks like when it's served. It's better served with salad shirazi or some yogurt. And bon appetit!